Hello everyone, today let's talk about the history of the computer. Let me make you understand about the history of the computers. Computers have come a long way since their inception in the 20th century. The earliest computers were massive machines filled the entire room and were only used by the governments and large corporations. But over time, computers have become smaller, more powerful and more accessible to the average person. One of the earliest computers was the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer ENIAC, which was developed during the World War II. The ENIAC was used to calculate the firing table for the United States Army. This machine was massive, weighing 30 tons and taking up to the 1800 square feet of space. In the 1950s, the first commercial computers were introduced. These machines were still quite large and expensive, but they were designed for use in business and government agencies. One of the computers in this category is UNIVAC Universal Automatic Computer, which was developed by the J. Prosper Rackham and John Mauchly. In the 1960s, computers began to shrink in size and cost. The IBM System 360 was a family of the computers that were designed to be used by a business of all sizes. This was a significant development as large, small and medium-sized businesses to afford a computer. As the 1970s rolled around, computers became smaller and more affordable. The introduction of the microprocessor, a single chip that contained all the components of the computer's central processing unit, made it possible to build a smaller and less expensive computer. This led to the development of the personal computer PCs. The 1980s saw the introduction of the IBM PCs, which was the first PC to be widely adopted by the businesses and individuals. This was also the decade that saw the launch of the Macintosh, which was the first personal computer to feature a graphical user interface GUI. The 1990s saw the introduction of the World Wide Web, which made it possible for the people to access information and communicate with each other online. This was also the decade that saw the rise of the personal computer. Today's computers are important parts of our daily lives. We use them for everything from work and school to entertainment and communication. Due to the rapid advance in technology, computers are now more powerful and affordable than ever before. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how computers continue to evolve and what new technologies will be developed. But one thing is certain, computers have changed the world in ways that we never could imagine.